Hello students, this is Johnson handling 7th standard biology, chapter 3, kingdom classification 2. Learning objectives are introduction to animal kingdom. There are A. Invertebrates, B. Vertebrates, and classification of invertebrates. There are 9 phylum. In this session you will learn about first 3 phylum. The first one, Pylon Porifera, second phylum, Phylum Rhidaria, third phylum, Platyhelminthes. Now you observe the largest animal in the is blue whale. It is a multicellular heterotrophic mode of nutrition and eukaryotic. The animal kingdom, varieties of animal in this earth. First one, introduction to animal kingdom. Animals are those organisms which are eukaryotic, multicellular and heterotrophic in their mode of nutrition. Yes, normally animal kingdom, most of the animals are eukaryotic and also multicellular and heterotrophic in their mode of nutrition. Yes. Eukaryotic means well-defined nucleus and also membrane-bound organelles are present in animal body. Yes. And also it is more than number of cell. Yes. More number of cells. So we call it as multicellular and depend upon other living substance for their food. Yes. It is also known as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Second one, animal cells do not have cell walls. Yes, we clearly know plants only have cell wall, except a few. Most animals are mobile. Depending on this difference, we can broadly classify animals as invertebrates and vertebrates. Yes, mobile means transfer one place to another place. Yes, and if we can broadly classify animals, we can divide into two types. There are invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates means do not have backbones. Yes, all spinal cord or vertebral column are absent in the animal, so we call it as invertebrates. On the other hand, vertebrates including man have backbone or vertebral column or spinal cord. Yes, these two types of in animal kingdom. Invertebrates, animals without a backbone or spinal column or spinal cord or vertebral column. Yes. Now you listen this picture, easily understand what you know. So animals, the body is very soft and without bone, that is called the invertebrates or backbone. Now we will see vertebrates. The second one, vertebrates. Animals with a backbone. There are so many kinds of animals present in this earth. We classified and also we categorized mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians and fish. These all the different kinds of animal. Each and every animal in vertebrates have backbone. Yes, so we call it as vertebrates. Classification of invertebrates or non-chordates. First, we will discuss about invertebrates or non-chordates. Yes, the first one, invertebrates do not have backbone. Yes, how its body look like? Very soft. They have soft body or no skeleton at all. Yes, the body is very soft. Skeleton. Skeleton means bone may be present or and no skeleton at all. Yes. That's the manner in invertebrates. They are divided into different phyla as discussed here. Yes, see this picture, each and every animals, heterotrophic and eukaryotic multicellular, but different. What different? It is an without backbone. Yes, there are invertebrates, 9 phylum having. In this session, we will discuss about first 3 phylum. Yes, the first one phylum, Pylon Porifera. So Porifera here, four, that body and of an animal contain more number of pore or holes. Organisms with holes. Yes. Sessile stalkless, sedentary attached to the substratum and marine except one group that lives in fresh water. These are non-motile animals attached to some solid support. They are commonly called sponges. Yes. Here the body structure how look like stalkless mean look like a stem. Here look like a stem like is absent here. Sedentary is a body attached to some solid substance in fresh water and also marine water. Yes, so the body attached to the some solid substance and also that solid support due to the body of an animal. Yes, that commonly we known as called sponges. The second one, asymmetrical or radially symmetrical. The body of an organism we cannot divided or separated. Sponges may be vase-like, rounded, sac-like or branched. Look like a mug, look like a pot, look like a round in position and branched. All the one it is attached to some solid support. Yes. Body is perforated with numerous pores. This body contains so many and more number of holes and pores of an animal. It also has one or more large-sized outlets of water called oscula or osculum. Yes, so one or more large-sized outlets that mean opening the water going outside. That part is called oscula or osculum. The canal system is a filter feeding system of sponges. It helps in circulating water throughout the body to bring food, oxygen, and water. Yes, here the body is an fully having pore and holes. So what happening? The water flows inside and come outside of the body of an animal. That time the body throughout that and circulating water inside body and outside the body. This time it will take food, oxygen and also need it will take for water. And moreover, mouth, digestive cavity and anus are absent. Now you will see we said osculum, the openings, the cavity, how the water going inside and outside. The time it will take oxygen, food and water. How it possible? The person gives us some, inject some substance, and finally the osculum come outside of the substance. So easily absorb water, easily enter the water and come outside. This time this animal taking food and water and the oxygen. Yes. So this is called the osculum. This osculum is a cavity used for circulating outside the water and coming inside and going outside. Some of the species of Pylon Porifera Cycon, Leucosolonia, Eupectella, and Spongilla. These are the species of Phylum Porifera. The next one, Phylum Rhidaria or Coelenterata, is an aquatic living in water, mostly marine. A few such as hydro or freshwater. Yes, these phylum animals are aquatic, mostly marine. Few of them look like a hydra only in freshwater. A central gastrovascular cavity, coelenteron, is present which lacks anus. Yes, here also central gastrovascular cavity is a cavity and absence of anus segment but has a mouth which is surrounded with a short and slender tentacles. Yes, here also central also look like a cavity that is called gastrovascular cavity. Yes, and also absent of anus segment. It has a mouth. That mouth surrounded by a covered with a short and slender tentacles. Respiratory, circulatory, and excretory organs are absent. Yes. Nervous system is primitive, has only network of nerve cells. Here, majorly and covered with a network of nerve cells. Nervous system. Their mouth is surrounded by a number of finger-like projections called tentacles. Finger-like projections. That projection used for some capturing some food and also easily attract some and capture the food that is help for that animal. These projections possess stinging cells which help them in monitoring, defense, and arresting prey. Examples of cnidarians include hydra, jellyfish, and sea anemone. The tentacles look like some antenna to attract that other food substance. And finally, the other food substance come to near this particular animal easily. That other animal eat as a food for the Coelenterata. Some of the species of Coelenterata, the first one hydra and jellyfish, second one. So both body of an organism, the mainly we can observe easily the nervous system nerve cells. Yes. The third one, sea anemone, the tentacles. What happening? It is a look like a hair-like substance, finger-like projections. It is move in and around the main scene of the animal. Finally, the other animal come to near that easily captured by the tentacles. Third one, sea anemone. Tentacle easily to attract to other animal for their food. What happening here? What going on here? Some small fishes to come and contact to take some food purpose. But what happening? The tentacles are covered with that fish, and finally the fish died. That fish going to give the food to that particular Coelenterata. A third phylum, Platyhelminthes. So flat, look like a flat worms. Yes, the body is thin, soft, leaf-like or ribbon-like. Body is thin, soft, leaf-like or ribbon-like structure. They are triploplastic animals, implying that their tissues differentiate from three embryonic germ layers. They are without a body cavity, ecolamate animals. There are triploplastic animals, implying that their tissues differentiate from three embryonic germ layers. They are without a body cavity, ecolamate animals. Here, when the germs layer are three-layer formed, having a body derived from three embryonic cells, like look like a three triploplastic means that animal having a three layers, the embryonic from the embryo, it can develop after a mature. That time, three layers form ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. There are without any cavity of the body. So the body very thin and flat, very leaf-like structure, soft in manner, look like a ribbon. Okay, yes. And third one, digestive cavity when present with a single opening, the mouth anus is absent. Suckers and hooks are usually present. That's because of the capturing their food easily. And fourth one, circulatory and respiratory systems and skeleton are absent. Yes, there are no system, mainly circulatory and respiratory and skeletal are absent. Hermaphrodite, both male and female reproductive organs occur in the same individual. We commonly known as a bisexual, where we can see some. We taking the example of hibiscus. That flower how look like both male and female are present at a single flower. Same look like as a platyhelminthes of hermaphrodite. Some such as some few examples are given: planaria and liver fluke. These animal, what happened? Hermaphrodite, both male and female reproductive organs are same individual. For example, planaria and liver fluke. Now you can see few examples for platyhelminthes, platyhelminthes, planaria and liver fluke. Both are flat, very thin, leafy-like manner, and also ribbon look-like structure. The circulatory, respiratory, and skeletal are absent. It is under the category of animal kingdom. Yes, it is an hermaphrodite. Both male and female sex organs are present of the same individual. So it is called as hermaphrodite. Thank you, students. Remaining of the phylum we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.